All right, let's talk about the holy grail of manicures. We're gonna uncover the secret to creating a flawless, incredibly strong manicure that actually, for real, lasts for weeks. This is the kind of stuff that is a complete game changer for both nail techs and their clients. You know the feeling, right? It's so frustrating. You get a perfect, beautiful set of nails only to have them chip or lift just a few days later. But the answer isn't what you probably think it is. It's got nothing to do with the color, and it's definitely not about being lucky. The real secret? It lies in thinking beyond just the polish itself. We need to go deeper and talk about the foundation, the actual architecture that's holding everything together. I mean, for anyone who does nails or just loves getting them done, this is the #1 challenge. We all want nails that look absolutely stunning, but they also have to be tough enough to handle daily life. Typing, cleaning, maybe even opening a can of soda, which, yeah, we know we shouldn't do, but let's be real, it happens. And that brings us to the solution, the big innovation that's completely changing how we approach nail services, the Builder Gel. This is where it gets really good. So what exactly is Builder Gel? Well, without getting too nerdy, it's basically a formula that's thicker and more robust than your standard gel base coat. It's specifically engineered to add a protective, strengthening layer over the natural nail, creating this perfectly durable foundation for whatever color you want to put on top. And here's where you can really see the difference. A traditional manicure, it just uses a thin little base coat that doesn't offer much reinforcement. But a structure manicure, it uses that thicker Builder Gel to create a powerful, protective layer. This doesn't just prevent chipping, it actually shields the natural nail from breaking. I love this analogy. Think about it like this. You're not just painting a wall, you're building the entire support structure for it. This Builder Gel acts like scaffolding, creating that perfect shape and curve. That's the key to giving the nail both its beautiful look and its incredible strength. Okay, so we get the concept. Now let's see how it works in the real world with a Builder Gel that's getting a ton of buzz from nail techs. Mong Up U-Gel. This is a perfect example of this technology in action. Mong Up's U-Gel is made specifically with busy pros in mind. It's engineered to be a true multitasker, something that can streamline your work without ever compromising on the final result. And this is where its power really shines. It's not just a Builder Gel. In this one bottle, you have a product for extensions, for backfills on returning clients, for strengthening natural nails with an overlay, and even for encapsulating things like glitter. For a pro, that is a massive time saver. But look, like any pro tool, the magic is really in the technique. The product is awesome, but applying it the right way is what unlocks that 4-week plus wear time. So let's quickly walk through the method. After your normal prep, you apply what's called a slip layer. This is a super important, really thin, uncured coat that helps the next bead of gel just glide into place. Then you add that bead to build up the apex for strength. Now, here's the cool part. You flip the finger over for just a few seconds. Gravity literally does the work for you, perfecting the shape. A quick flash cure locks it in, and then you do the full cure. And here's why that is so crucial. When you nail this technique, the gel self-levels so perfectly that you barely have to do any filing or shaping afterwards. You can go straight to applying the color, which, as any tech knows, dramatically speeds up your service time. But the real test, of course, is how it holds up in the salon, day in and day out. So let's hear what some of the nail pros who are actually using this stuff have to say. Wow, okay, this is a pretty powerful review. Brenda says that other top brands would start lifting on her in just 2 to 3 weeks. But with U-Gel, 0 lifting at all. That is a massive testament to its strength and adhesion. Gina backs up 2 really key points here. It's multifunctional and it's easy to use. But that last part, the retention, is crazy. I mean, when a pro says something like that, you know it's not just a small improvement. It's a huge leap forward. And there it is, the 4-week benchmark. Tu confirms it lasts over a month, and importantly, she says it's easy to control during application, which ties right back to that awesome self-leveling technique we just talked about. So when you put everything together, the science, the product itself, the technique, and the real-world results, it really points to a major shift in how we should be thinking about manicures. So if there's one thing you walk away with, it's this. A structure manicure isn't just some little add-on service. It's a fundamental upgrade. It gives the nail strength to stop it from breaking, it makes the color last way longer, and most importantly, it protects the health of the natural nail underneath. And that leaves us with a really interesting question to think about. As clients keep demanding longer-lasting, more durable nails, are we moving into a new era where the structural integrity of the nail is just as important, if not more important, than the actual color we decide to put on top? It really seems like it.